Hello everyone, my name is Sarika Tamali. I am your fellow student at ASU in CSC 535 course. In this demo video, I would like to explain the smart home application that I have developed. This home application is used to practice and capture the gestures that we use in smart home application. And this smart home application basically has three screens. On screen one, you will see some kind of welcome message and a drop down list of gestures, like different gestures like turn on the fan, turn off the fan, switch on the light, switch off the light, increase the speed of the fan, and some other gestures. And also you will see a button to go to the next screen. On the next screen, on the gesture that you have selected on the screen one, a the corresponding video of expert video doing that gesture will be played. Using that video you can practice, and to practice you need to go to the next screen, and for that you can use the practice button. And if you want to go back and select a different gesture, then you can use the back button. So on screen 3 you have three buttons. One is like record, and another one is replay, and another one is upload. The record button is used to capture the gesture that you have practiced, and replay allows you to see like whether you have done the gesture correctly or not. And if you feel everything is correct, then you can upload it to Flash server using this upload button. And I have developed this application using all these technologies like Android Studio, Python 3, Flash server, and I have run this application. I have tested this application on Pixel 3 and API 29. So let's go to the code, and let's try to run. So before I run this code, I would like to let you know that I have already opened the Flash server, and it is up and running. If you can see here in my Visual Studio Code, when I ran this server side code, the Flash server is up and running. Um, this is my code for the Flash server to be running and to receive the file that is captured through the Android application. So let me start the emulator. So it is starting the AVD. Uh, it will take some time as I wiped all the data, so it might take some more time to boot up and start. So this is the first time after the after wiping the data, right? So it is taking some time, so bear with me. While the emulator opens, I would like to let you know that I have this record button only for 5 seconds. Like the recording will be stopped automatically for after 5 seconds. So while recording also, it will show the status of like whether it is recording or not. So I'll show you all that in a bit. So looks like it's still installing. So let's wait for that. And this app needs the permissions for camera, storage, and microphone. So Just give it few more minutes. Yeah. So this is my application. This is my first screen of the application. So you can see some kind of welcome message here, welcome to smart home. And also we have a drop down list of all the gestures that we can practice and record and upload. So there are different kinds of gestures like turn on light, turn off light, and there are like numbers from 1 to 0 to 9. So you can select any of them and you can go to next screen. And if you go to next screen, the corresponding gestures expert video is played for you so that you can practice. So you can play it as many times as you want. So you can play using the play media player button available here. And if you want to select a different gesture also, you can go back and you can play. So let's see, like let's select some other gesture as well, like so practice button, you will be asked to give the permissions for record video and everything. So just allow it. It will ask for the storage and audio, and you have record, replay and upload button. If you see, like replay and upload are disabled because we have not recorded anything. So if I click on record, it will start recording, and it will show the recording also here. And once the recording is stopped, you can see that replay and upload buttons are enabled. And if you click on replay, it will replay. And you can click on upload button and you can see the file uploaded successfully. And if you go back to Flash server, there also you can see that the file is received. Let's go back quickly and let's do one more thing, like let's do like 5. And you can see that um, we can see like the video, expert video, and you have back button and practice button. If upon clicking practice button, you go to this screen, and once you click on record, you can see that it is recording. And as soon as it is 5 seconds, it just stops and you can replay. And you can upload. So this is what I have developed, friends. So if you like it, just leave me some comments, and I wish you good luck for everything. Thank you.